Alright, so here is this new Nexgen and AC Pro air conditioners. It's cool. I believe these are from 2021 because I remember seeing them a couple years back, or in the summer of 2021. This one's from 2020. It's a 2-ton. No line thing. Actually a pretty solid unit. Aside from the micro channel. And here's this unit. Basically a rebadged Goodman. Oh, it's a heat pump. Small cycle reverse valve, might be like a 2-ton or something. 14 to 16 SEER, so it looks like a 15 SEER. Let's see here. 2020. 2.5 ton ASZ16. Oh, it's a 16 SEER, so yeah. 14 to 16, so it's like a 15 or 16. Nice units. So, thanks for watching.